Ningbo Leadween International Trade Company Limited was established in 2008, a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of electric actuator, electric motorized valve, automation equipment, valve accessories, and plastic plumbing fittings for industrial construction, residential building, water treatment, and other related projects. We are located in Ningbo, Zhejiang, with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, NSF, ATEX certificates. We have an excellent team composed of professional research, and our products have independent intellectual properties and occupy a primary position in the industry due to the enchanting brand effects. Our products have been exported to all over the world, such as USA, UK, Denmark, Canada, Singapore, etc., and they are highly praised from customers. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can give your sourcing requirement to our customer service center. We are always hold our belief of survival by quality competition, by cost development, by credit, to gain trust of customers with top quality products and explore markets with well-developed sales service. Under the principle, trust improvement, innovation, win-win, we believe that we will establish good cooperation with friends all around the world.